Don't you think it is super difficult to create an ad campaign on Facebook or Google? And I know that this task becomes way more difficult when you are a beginner and you have a new business to promote. But Facebook and Google or any other platforms are simply not letting you post an ad campaign because there are so many descriptions, information, numbers that you have to fill out and you don't even know half of them. And as a result, you are not able to create an effective ad campaign that will bring you the profit or the results that you dream of. If you're facing this problem, we have just the right product for you. So welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And the product that I am going to review today is Plai. This lets you easily make ads for your business, and it could be on various platforms such as Facebook, Google, Instagram, TikTok, and you name it. Plai doesn't just stop at creating ad campaigns, it also lets you create landing pages, and all of these tasks will be done by an AI, so you don't have to write any ad post, upload any ad pictures, and just see how profitable Plai can be. So Plai customers have seen 90% cheaper ad cost, which is amazing. They have also seen over 105 higher click-through rates than those people who are posting or creating ad campaigns through Facebook or Google. There are a lot of features of Plai that are simply going to impress you, such as Plai creates the overall campaign structure for you, so you don't have to provide any campaign name, select ad group, ad set, bidding, ad format. Plai takes care all of these tasks for you. Plai also lets you create retargeting audience across many different platforms. There is also A/B testing in Plai so that your ad campaigns are always effective. Plai supports a lot of platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google. And the best part about Plai is that they give you full analytics on the ad campaign that you are running, so that you know which one of your practices are doing the best and which practices are not doing that well. As a bonus, Plai also lets you create landing pages, which is amazing and a great feature to collect lead information. A great news is Plai is currently available as a lifetime deal on Appsumo. By paying only $59, you can get lifetime access to Plai. Plai is a great alternative to AdEspresso, Facebook ads, and lead pages, and these are all the features you will get from the Plai Appsumo deal. So you can create targeted ads for many different platforms. Plai will write engaging ad copy for your ad campaigns, and the AI model they use is OpenAI, which is very reliable. There are some other features such as landing page, automated audience creation, automated optimizations, A/B testing, and so many others. Currently there are 4 tiers in the Appsumo deal of Plai. So the tier 1 cost $59 and you can create one workspace in here. The tier 2 cost $99. The workspace limit is 3. The tier 3 cost $179 and you can create 8 workspaces in this tier. The last tier is tier 4, which cost $329, and as for the workspace, there is no limit in the license tier 4. Plai also offers their service on a subscription basis. So the first plan, which is Plai for white labeling, it costs $297 per month, and these are the features. There is also a free trial. Another plan is for brands, agencies, and startups, which cost $27 per month, and these are all the features. There is also a custom plan for enterprises. Once you log into Plai, you will get a dashboard like this. The dashboard will tell you how much you are spending on Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads. However, for that you have to connect the Google ad account, Facebook ad account, and TikTok ad account. You can also see the statistics for your websites. So how many people are coming to your website from your ads? You can see that here. As you can see, there are some sections such as users, revenue, conversion rate, and sessions. The next tab on Plai is advertise. So this is the tab that you are going to visit the most, because from here you have to start creating a new ad campaign. So you can start a blank ad and adjust that ad according to your needs. You can also select the platforms where you are going to launch the ads. There are some platforms such as Google, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram. There is also a template gallery where there are some already pre-made ad campaigns, such as you can use this to convert your followers. You can use this one to turn Facebook ads to Google ads. You can use this one to see the performance of your competitors. So these are some of the templates you will get from Plai. So let's click on this blank ad and start creating a new one. There are 4 steps you have to go through to create an ad. Obviously, first you have to add your website, which is mandatory. So this is the website where all the people who were drawn from the ads will land. And then there are 4 steps. So in the first step, you have to choose the platform where you want to launch the ads. You can select one single platform. You can even select multiple platforms if you want. So these are all the platforms where you can launch your ads. And on the right side, you can see a preview of your ad. So how it is going to appear on a specific social platform. So let's see in Google. So as you can see, I have added my website, which is SaaSLTDdeals.com. And if I launch the ad on Google, it will appear like this. And as you can see, there are already some ad text on this ad, because that is the best part about Plai. With the help of AI, they write some ad text by crawling your website, collecting data from your website such as description and all that. So after selecting a channel, the next step is to select the targeting, and once again Plai shines here. Plai automatically selects some targeting options based on your website. So as you can see, my website is SaaSLTD.com. It is about lifetime deals on SaaS products, and as you can see, they have already selected some targeted keywords according to my website, and I have to say these are some very accurate targeting keywords. The third step is the creative step. So here you have to add some graphics, some photos if you want for your ad, and there are also some headlines and descriptions. So once again, Plai is going to run its AI to collect this description or write this description according to the category or the nature of your website. And the last step is to select the ad budget. So you have to decide how much money you want to spend on a day for your ad on Google or the platform you have selected here. So once you select your budget, for example, I have set a budget of $5 every day, and keep in mind you can start as low as $1 per day for your ad. So suppose I have set $5 per day to spend on my ad campaign. And on the right side of the page, Plai will show me the forecasted results or the results that I can expect from spending $5 per day. So in one day, the spending range is going to be $2 to $5, and the clicks that is forecasted or expected is 1 to 5 clicks, and the reach that I am going to get with $5 per day is going to be 71 to 166. You can also see the forecasted results or the expected results from your ad campaign for the next 7 days and for the next 30 days. There is also a very interesting thing on the right side, which is see more variations. So as you can see, with the help of AI, Plai will create different variations of your ad campaigns. So there are 3 variations for my ad campaign. As you can see, all of them will have different headlines and different descriptions, and the best part is Plai will run A/B test on these variations, and from that A/B testing, the type of variation that is producing the best results will be shown more on the platform that you choose. And I think this has to be one of the best features of Plai. Once you create an ad campaign, you can go back to advertise, and all of your ad campaigns will appear in this section. And now this is another great feature of this platform. So from this section, you can open your already created ad campaign, and you will get a full analytics of your campaign to see if it is working properly or not. Currently, I do not have any ad campaign created, so there is nothing in here. However, I can still show you. So as you can see, these are the types of insight that you will get from the analytics section of Plai. You can see the cost per click, the click-through rate, cost per conversion, clicks, reach, spend, and a lot of other types of insights. You can also see the status of your campaign. The next tab on Plai is landing page. So from here you can create a new site, web page, landing page, whatever you call it. So let me create one. For that I have to click on this plus icon, and as you can see, I have got a custom URL for the landing page, and then I have to fill out the business name, the description, and some features of my business, and then select the language and click on generate. So by clicking on generate, Plai will create content for your websites according to these features, description, and business name. So let's see what I get. So as you can see, these are the different types of content that I have gotten from the AI of Plai, and this is a preview of my landing page. I can add some further modifications such as logo, I can edit this text, add a cover image, and these are the features. I can also add a contact form to my landing page. This way I can collect the contact information of the visitors directly from my website. So now let's click on create website, and as you can see, creating a landing page is super fast. Now let's visit the landing page, and as you can see, we have gotten a full web page about my business. There is also the contact information form. This is simply amazing of a feature from Plai. The last step on Plai is research. From here you can do keyword research, find trending content, and also you can discover some marketing tips from marketing experts. So let me show you this keyword research feature. So for example, I want to get some keyword ideas about a keyword which is how to make money online, and then select your target language, and you can also give some examples and then click on next. As you can see, there is a very detailed graph and the volume of this keyword as well as the average CPC for this keyword. I can also get some related keyword ideas from here with their search volume and CPC. So overall, I think Plai is an excellent tool and a tool that is a must if you want to promote your business through Facebook ads or Google ads or any other ads. And to be honest, creating an ad on Facebook or Google is super difficult, and this is where Plai is going to help you a lot. It makes creating ad campaigns super easy. The best part is it does all the works for you through the AI. So if you want to buy Plai from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description of this video. That will take you to this official Appsumo page of Plai, and then you can buy from here. These are all the features of the Plai Appsumo deal, and these are the license tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have liked the video and found it helpful. If you do, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We have got a lot of interesting videos upcoming, so stay tuned for that. Goodbye.